Today, India is executing a massive strategic shift from being a semiconductor importer to a domestic manufacturing powerhouse. With the first wave of operational plants now coming online across multiple states, the country is establishing the physical foundation for its technological infrastructure. Moving from blueprints to production, Gujarat now hosts Micron's $2.75 billion facility and the 3,300 crore rupee Kane's OSAT plant, processing 6.3 million chips daily. Odisha expands this with a 1,943 crore rupee project for India's first advanced 3D chip packaging unit. These facilities are active now, utilizing a specialized domestic workforce to handle high-end electronics assembly. This local capacity ensures that the physical hardware required for 5G, AI, and defense applications is produced within the domestic ecosystem. Supporting this growth is the India Semiconductor Mission 2.0, which includes a dedicated 1,000 crore rupee budget provision for the 2026 to 2027 fiscal year. This chart shows the domestic semiconductor market scaling from $38 billion in 2023 toward a projected $110 billion by 2030. To meet this demand, the government aims to fulfill 75% of the country's chip requirements through native manufacturing by 2029. This transition is being directed through a centralized industrial strategy aimed at accelerating the deployment of new fabrication units. By setting specific production targets, the state provides the long-term policy roadmap necessary to attract multi-billion-dollar private investments. While manufacturing provides the hardware, India is also expanding into the intellectual labor of chip design. The Design-Linked Incentive Scheme currently supports 24 startups, including Sankya Labs and Ahisa, to develop native silicon architectures. This focus on native IP has resulted in Dhruv 64, an indigenous 64-bit microprocessor. Homegrown processors like these allow telecommunications and IoT systems to operate on architectures developed within India. Owning the underlying designs shifts India from an assembly hub to a technology creator, reducing long-term dependence on foreign intellectual property. By combining domestic design with local fabrication, the country is insulating its economy from future global supply chain disruptions. The flow of technology is already changing. Indian facilities are now actively exporting manufactured memory modules and chips to the United States. This transition toward a full-stack domestic ecosystem positions India as a competitive, integrated player in the global semiconductor value chain.